What's the meaning of Assay Office? Assay Office. Assay Office.
Assay Office. Assay Office. An assay office is a government or independent facility that tests and measures the purity and quality of precious metals, such as gold and silver. These offices analyze samples of metal to verify their composition, authenticity, and fineness, issuing certifications or hallmarks as proof of the metal's quality. The tests may involve chemical analysis, melting and casting, weighing, or other methods to determine the metal's properties. Assay offices play an important role in ensuring fair trade and preventing fraud in the precious metals industry by providing accurate and reliable information about the metals being traded.